Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best dryer lint filter for LG dryers, the ADQ 56656401 lint filter replacement. If you're looking to keep your dryer running efficiently and safely, this product could be just what you need. The lint filter is designed specifically for certain LG and Kenmore dryers, making it a perfect replacement part that fits precisely where it should. Measuring 11.9 by 10.9 inches, this filter is made from durable ABS plastic, ensuring long-lasting performance. This means you need to carefully check your original filter's size and design before purchasing to guarantee a perfect fit. What makes this lint filter stand out is its sturdy construction that effectively traps lint and debris, which is essential for maintaining proper airflow inside your dryer. Better airflow not only helps maximize drying efficiency but also reduces drying time, saving you energy and protecting your appliance. Operating your dryer without a lint filter can cause lint buildup inside the machine, leading to decreased performance and even potential safety hazards. If you own one of these dryers, this lint filter offers a high-quality, brand-new alternative to a cracked or damaged original filter. Another key aspect of this lint filter is its design improvements. For some models, the newer version of this filter includes notches that provide a better fit and functionality compared to older versions. However, it is important to confirm compatibility because this filter does not come with a felt seal, which is present in other similar filters, so those won't be a match. Included in the package is one lint filter, backed by a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind regarding its quality and durability. Installation is straightforward, and replacing your old lint filter regularly will maintain your dryer's performance and extend its lifespan. To sum up, the lint filter is a top choice for LG and Kenmore dryer owners looking for a reliable, efficient, and well-fitting replacement part. Its durable construction, tailored fit, and ability to improve airflow make it a valuable upgrade to your laundry routine. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want your dryer to work at its best and stay safe, consider the lint filter replacement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights.